Chapter 1 Integers, Exercise 1.4, the last exercise of this chapter. So question 1, evaluate each of the following. So minus 30 divided by 10. So negative by positive. Negative by positive will be negative. So negative 3. 50 by minus 5. Positive by negative. So again it is negative. Answer is negative 10. Now minus 36 divided by minus 9. Negative by negative. If both the numbers are negative, it is positive, same as that of multiplication, minus into minus plus. Here minus divided by minus also plus. So the answer is 4. Minus 49 divided by 49. So negative by positive. So answer will be negative, and 49 by 49 is 1. So it will become negative 1. 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So first we need to do minus 2 plus 1. And minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So it is 13 divided by minus 1. So positive by negative. So it is negative. So negative 13. 0 divided by negative 12. So 0, if we divide 0 by any integer, the answer is 0. And 0 doesn't have positive or negative. It's neither positive nor negative. No sign for 0. Next, negative 31 divided by negative 30 plus negative 1. So first we have to find minus 30 plus minus 1. Two negative integers adding. So we have to add it. So it is minus 31. So it is minus 31 divided by minus 31. So negative by negative. So positive 1 is the answer. Next, minus 36 by 12, again divided by 3. So first we need to simplify minus 36 by 12. It is negative by positive, so answer will be negative. Negative 3. Now negative 3 by 3. So again negative by positive, so it will become negative. Answer is minus 1. And the last one, minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So minus 6 plus 5 is what? Minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1, that also minus 1. So minus 1 divided by minus 1, negative by negative. So the answer is positive 1. Now move on to question number 2. Verify that A divided by B plus C not equal to, please note down, not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C for each of the following values of A, B and C. So that means distributive property is not true for division of integers. Okay, so let us verify that. So A divided by B plus C, first one, so A equal to 12, B equal to minus 4 and C is equal to 2. So 12 divided by, what is minus 4 plus 2? That is minus 2. So 12 divided by minus 2. So the answer is positive by negative is negative. So negative 6 is the answer. Now let us see the RHS, that is A divided by B plus A divided by C, what we get. So A means 12. So 12 divided by minus 4 plus 12 divided by 2. And 12 divided by minus 4 is minus 3 and 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So it is minus 3 plus 6, which is equal to how much? It is the difference between 6 and 3, which is 3, and the 6 is positive. So it is plus 3 is the answer. So here we got minus 6, here we got 3. They are not equal. So minus 6 not equal to 3. That means A divided by B plus C not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. The second example, A divided by B plus C. Let us find out. Here A equal to minus 10, B equal to 1, C equal to 1. So minus 10 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. So minus 10 by 2, which is equal to, yes, negative 5. Now the other way, that is A divided by B plus A divided by C. So minus 10 by 1 plus minus 10 by 1. So when you divide any number by 1, the same number only. So it is minus 10 plus minus 10, which is equal to minus 20. So here also what we get? Minus 5 not equal to minus 20. Therefore, A divided by B plus C not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. This is the format of how to do it. Now let us move on to question number 3. Fill in the blanks using the properties. So 369 divided by dash equal to 369. So what we have to divide? Yes, we have to divide by 1. That is multiplicative identity. So 1. Now minus 75 divided by dash equal to minus 1. So answer is negative and this is negative. So this number should be positive. Then only negative by positive we will get negative. So minus 75 and it is 1 here. So minus 75 by plus 75. Next one, negative 206 divided by dash equal to 1. So answer is positive. So negative by negative is positive. So what should come there? Minus 206. Next, minus 87 divided by dash equal to 87. So here it is answer positive. So negative by negative should come. What should come here? Answer the same number. So we have to divide with the 1. But here it is positive 87. So we need to divide by negative 1. So that we will get 87. Next, dash divided by 1 equal to minus 87. So here it is negative, this is positive, so this number should be negative. So negative 87. Next one, dash divided by 48 equal to minus 1. So here it is negative, so this should be negative 48. Then 20 divided by dash equal to negative 2. So 20 is positive, so this number should be negative. So what we should divide to get to, what is 20 divided by minus 2? 20 divided by minus 2 is minus 10. And the last one, dash divided by 4 equal to negative 3. That means here the number should be negative. What is negative 3 into 4? Negative 12. Let us move on to question number 4. Write 5 pairs of integers a, b such that a divided by b equal to negative 3. One example is given, 6 minus 2 and 6 divided by minus 2 is minus 3. So many integers are there. When you divide, you will get minus 3. So many are there. Few I will show here. So a divided by b should be minus 3. So 18 divided by minus 6, minus 3. One of the integers should be negative. So that you will get the answer negative. Minus 9 by 3, minus 3. 3 divided by minus 1, minus 3. Minus 15 by 5, minus 3. 12 by minus 4, again minus 3. So these are 5 pairs of integers. So 18 minus 6, minus 9, 3, 3 minus 1, minus 15, 5, 12 minus 4. These are the pairs of integers. Now move on to the next one. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees centigrade above 0. Above 0. So it is positive 10 degrees. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade per hour until midnight. Midnight means what? 12 midnight. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees centigrade below 0? What would be the temperature at midnight? So first let us find the temperature at midnight. This we will find first. So temperature at 12 noon given as 10 degrees centigrade positive. And fall of temperature per hour is what? 2 degrees centigrade. So time, what is the time duration from 12 noon to 12 midnight? It is 12 hours. So what will be the fall of temperature in 12 hours? It will be 12 into 2, 24. 24 degree temperature will fall down. Is it? It will decrease. Therefore, the temperature at 12 midnight will be initial temperature 12 noon it is 10, and by 12 hours the temperature dropped to how many? 24 degrees it will drop. So 10 minus 24, which is equal to negative 14 degrees centigrade is the answer. Now let us come to the first part of the question. What time would the temperature be 8 degrees centigrade below 0? That is minus 8 degrees centigrade. What time? Because temperature is from 12 noon, it is coming down. So what time the temperature will show minus 8 degrees? That is what we have to find. So time taken to decrease the temperature from 10 degree to minus 8. So the difference. So 10 minus minus 8, that is 10 plus 8. 18 hours it will take. But here the fall of temperature is 2 degree per hour. 1 hour 2 degree will decrease. Not 1 degree. 2 degree will decrease. So in this 18 hour, how many? 2 degree. Every 1 hour 2 degree will decrease. No. So what is the time? The time when the temperature is minus 8 degree will be 18 divided by 2. Total 18 hours. So that divided by 2. 9 p.m. If you have any confusion in understanding this, let us go to the clock and see. See here. Clock. Time showing 12 noon. And 12 noon, what is the temperature? 10 degrees centigrade. And every hour 2 degree decreases. So let us see. 10, 8, then 6, then 4, then 2, then 0, then minus 2, then minus 4, minus 6 and minus 8. What time the clock showing minus 8 degree? 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. Clear? Now moving on to the next question. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and negative 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no mark for not attempting any question. That is safe. Now, Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Come on, let us find out. Marks for correct answer plus 3 and that for incorrect answers minus 2. And what is Radhika's total score? 20 marks. And how many of her answers are correct? 12 correct answers. So what is her score for the 12 correct answers? Yes, it will be 12 into 3, 36. But she got only 20 marks. So 36 plus score of incorrect answers makes it 20. That means score of incorrect answers is 20 minus 36, that is minus 16. So get minus 16, how many answers she attempted wrongly, incorrectly? Because each incorrect answer minus 2 marks. So how many minus 2 are there in minus 16? So the number of questions she answered incorrectly will be negative 16 by negative 2. That is 8 questions she answered wrongly. Clear? Now let us move on to the second part of the question, that is Mohini's score. Mohini's total score is given as negative 5, though she has got 7 correct answers. So her score for 7 correct answers, 21 marks. But her score is minus 5. That means 21 plus the score of incorrect answers gives her negative 5. So score of incorrect answers will be minus 5 minus 21, which is equal to minus 26. So to get minus 26 score for wrong answers, incorrect answers. How many questions she have attempted wrongly? It is minus 26 by minus 2. 13 questions she answered incorrectly. Clear? Now let us move on to the last question of this exercise and of this chapter. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach negative 350 meters? So first let us draw a picture and how the elevator comes down to the mine. Let us see it. So a mine and the elevator and ground level 10 meters above, and this is 350 meters below. Now we need to find first the distance from the elevator descends from this 10 meters above. So from here it has to reach this minus 350, that is 350 meters below ground. Actually the measures is not negative, children. Measures will not be negative, but we are putting negative sign to indicate that it is below 0, because this is a 0. So above 0 positive, below 0 350. Okay. So that distance we have to find first. Then only we can find the time taken. So descending speed of the elevator 6 meters per minute. Initial position 10 meters above the ground. Final position negative 350 or 350 meters below ground level. So what is the distance? Children, this is 10 meters. 10 meters, if it will come down 10 meters, it will come to 0. So 10 meters, if it come down, it will reach 0. Then from 0 again it has to go down 350 meters. So what will be the total? This is 350 and this is 10. So it will become 360, right? So total distance covered by the elevator 10 minus 350. It is not 350 minus 10. So because from here to here 10 meters, 0 to 10 meters, then 0, then below 350. So this 10 plus this 350 together will make 360 meters down. So time taken to cover 360 meters, let us find out. 360 divided by 6, because 6 meters per minute is the speed, equal to 60 minutes. So let us convert into hour. So that means it will take 1 hour. Hope you understood. So that's the end of this exercise. Thank you.